Hey folks, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. And today we're doing a 3-chord kid song. Yeah, beat. I know, it's a fun one. And this song is going to be a part of a 3-chord kid song series. I just figured let's kick it off with one that we know well. Yeah, E-I-E-I-O. That's right. Let's go down to Old MacDonald and see his farm.
Loog Nation!
The first chord is a G. Thanks, Pete. G on 3. I like to say 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 1st string. G. And then we have a C. 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Nice. And then we have a D. Now our D chord can be a little tricky sometimes, so we want to make sure that the 2 fingers here, 1 and 2, are on the outer strings, 2nd fret. Boom, bum. Boom, bum. And then we're going to really try and reach up and over that 1st string to come down, straight down on top of the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Now that takes some practice. So one of the things you could do is check out this video here on mastering the D chord. And you can also just take some time on doing a sound check. Yeah, sound check. A sound check is where you're picking through each string while holding the chord and making sure you can hear all 3 ring out clear. There's different levels of strumming that we can use for this song. We could just use half notes. Half notes are 2 beats but 1 strum. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And that would help me if I was just starting off to get used to changing chords in the rhythm of the song. Another way to play it is with quarter notes. So now we're feeling every beat of the song in tempo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And I think really that's about as complicated as I was make it for myself, because again, there's a lot of barnyard animals and it's there's a lot to do in this song. So, and on this farm we had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. Now this is where things get kind of fun. I like to strum on the sound of the animal, right? So with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You didn't know I can make duck noises? Yeah, I sure can. All right, so there's our ducks on the farm. So we did with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, and I think it's a really fun song to play to help us learn moving chords, changing chords, staying in tempo. It's a great song to learn if you've graduated from playing the songs that are just 2 chords, like this video here, and the one that you'll check out at the end of the video. There'll be a link. And we're moving into 3-chord songs. Let's go ahead and just do another round together, shall we? Okay, here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yeah, there you go. That was fun. All right, there's your 3-chord kid song, and this is the first of many that are going to come your way because I know everyone has different players at different ages, and it's nice to mix it up. If there's a favorite kid song that you want to learn, please leave it in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure that Beat and I know that you are a part of the Loog community, and we'll be here every Thursday. Yeah, every Thursday. More coming your way. All right, let's play it out. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh here and a neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh. Old MacDonald